Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Liam and this is Grammar Simple, the channel that makes English grammar simple. Okay, will and will be able to for future predictions and abilities. So, if you want to learn English grammar, stay tuned. Okay, will and will be able to for prediction and ability. Let's begin. Part 1, let's talk about predictions first. Will is a modal verb. We use will to talk about future predictions or beliefs about the future. We often use verbs such as think, hope, believe, and predict with will. The correct word order is subject, verb, there, will, be. And be is in the infinitive form, always. So you can see at the top of the screen our formula. Let's look at an example. I think there will be more self-driving cars in 10 years. Remember, the be verb is always in the infinitive form. And the verb think, which I underlined, is very common with will. I hope there will be less disease in the future. I believe there will be a cure for cancer soon. I predict there will be humans living on Mars by 2050 or 2050. Go Elon. I don't think there will be more self-driving cars in 10 years. This is a negative idea. Same sentence as before, but in the negative. I think there won't be more self-driving cars in 10 years. This is also negative. You can say both. I don't predict there will be humans living on Mars by 2050. This is a little bit awkward sounding. So it's not incorrect, but I don't suggest you say this. I predict there won't be humans living on Mars by 2050. I think this is better to say. So it is common to say, I think, and I don't think. This is very common. This is correct. It is also common to say, I believe and I don't believe. It is not common to say, I don't hope, and I don't predict. For I think, I believe, these are more opinions about the future, and predict, hope, these verbs are a little bit different, so I would use won't instead of don't. We say, I predict there won't be humans living on Mars by 2050. This is better. We also use to be plus adjective with will. To be sure. To be confident. To be certain. To be optimistic. To be positive. To be doubtful. To be skeptical. The correct word order is subject, to be, adjective, there, will, and be, also infinitive. I am sure there will be more self-driving cars in 10 years. I am certain there will be humans living on Mars by 2050. I am confident there will be a cure for cancer soon. I am doubtful there will be a cure for cancer soon. I am skeptical there will be less disease. Maybe you can tell by my tone and my face. Doubtful, skeptical, these are negative adjectives. You don't believe this will happen. Let's look at an example that is easy to disagree with, mostly because it's absurd. I think there will be a war on the moon between humans and aliens tomorrow night. Okay. You can disagree with predictions, maybe crazy predictions, by saying, I disagree. I disagree with that. I'm not sure. I'm not sure about that. I'm doubtful. I'm doubtful about that. I'm skeptical. I'm skeptical about that. Again, the same example. I think there will be a war on the moon between humans and aliens tomorrow night. I'm not sure about that. Okay, part 2. Let's talk about abilities. Abilities are skills or actions that are possible for you to do. This means you are able to do them, or it is possible for you to do them. We use will plus be able to talk about abilities and possibilities in the future. The correct word order is subject, will, be, able to. Let's look at some examples. In the future, humans will be able to take vacations on the moon. I hope. That would be cool. Would you go to the moon on vacation? I would. Just to jump around. Yeah. And look at Earth. That would be cool. Okay. Cars will be able to drive themselves. So, no humans driving, just cars. I don't know how I feel about that. I like driving. Driving is fun. Driving fast is fun. I don't want robots driving cars for me. But hey, maybe in the future, cars will be able to drive themselves. Well, actually now, but it will be more common. Robots will be able to clean our homes for us. Do you hate doing the dishes as much as I do? Yeah. So maybe, fingers crossed, in the future, robots will be able to clean our homes for us. We already have little vacuums that can do this, but I don't want just my floor cleaned. I want everything. Dream big. Go robots. Just don't kill me. Artificial intelligence will be able to take over the world. Okay, take over. What does take over mean? It's a phrasal verb, take over, similar to turn on, turn off, plug in, right? Take over is a phrasal verb. Take over means become the ruler, become the leader of something. Scary. They will be able to control the nice robots, the ones that clean our homes, and we won't be able to stop them. Yikes. Okay, won't here is negative. So will, won't. Okay, just kidding. I hope. Nice robots. Don't kill me. Yeah, I hope. Now let's talk about how to make questions. Will plus there plus be. Will there be humans living on Mars by 2050? Yes, I'm sure there will be. Will there be a cure for cancer soon? Perhaps, but I'm not so certain about that. Okay, another type of question is will plus subject plus be plus able to plus verb. Will cars be able to drive themselves? Yes, I'm confident they will be able to do that. To do that means drive themselves. Will AI, artificial intelligence, be able to take over the world? Maybe, but I'm not very confident about that. Will you be able to speak English better in the future? What do you think? Yes, I think you will be able to if you keep watching my videos. So please keep watching my videos. I appreciate it. Okay, guys, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me grow. My name is Liam. This is Grammar Simple, the channel that makes English grammar simple. I will see you next time. Oh, write your questions in the comments. Thank you. Talk to you soon. Bye.